Book of Heaven, Volume 12, May 24th, 1919. The soul in whom Jesus dwells feels what the world sends to him: hardness, darkness, sins, etc. I was feeling very oppressed and afflicted because of the privation of my sweet Jesus, and I was saying to him with all my heart, "Come, my life. Without you I feel myself dying, and not so as to die, but only to always die. Come, I can take no more, I can take no more." My sweet Jesus moved in my interior, and I felt him kissing my heart strongly. And then, unveiling himself, he told me,
"My daughter, I felt an irresistible need to pour myself out with you in love."
And I, immediately, "Jesus, how much you make me suffer. The privation of you kills me. All other pains would be nothing for me, or rather smiles and kisses of yours. But your privation is death without pity. Ah, Jesus, Jesus, how you have changed." And he, interrupting my speaking, told me,
"Daughter of my love, you do not want to persuade yourself that I look at the world through you. And since I dwell in you, you are forced to feel what the world sends me: hardness, darkness, sins, fury of my justice, etc. So instead of thinking of my privation, you must think of defending me from the evils that creatures send me, and of breaking the fury of my justice. In this way, I will remain sheltered within you, and the creatures will be struck less."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.